Hi, welcome back to this channel. I'm about to formulate shower gel. I hope you are going to formulate yours and let me know how it goes. Okay, we're going to be using about 3 surfactants in this formulation. Are you ready? Let's go. Always sterilize your tools, your equipment, and your countertop before you start with anything. When you're done with that, then you weigh your ingredients and then you start formulating, or you weigh along the way. The first ingredient we are going to use, which I measured, is ingredients that will be part of my water phase, which are disodium EDTA. That is a chelating ingredient. Allantoin for soothing the skin. You can remove this, but try as much as possible to add the chelator. You can substitute the chelator with sodium phytate or tetrasodium EDTA or any other chelating ingredient you have. You put these 2 ingredients into your water. You will have to place this on heat because of the allantoin. We want it to dissolve. But if you don't have ingredients that need dissolving inside this product, then you don't need to place it on heat. If you have any other ingredients that is supposed to go into your water phase but cannot withstand heat, don't add it at this point. Bring it down from heat and allow it to cool down before you add those ingredients. Now we move on to weighing a surfactant phase, which contains sodium lauryl sarcosinate. Sodium lauryl sarcosinate is a fantastic surfactant. Then sodium C14 to 16 olefin sulfonate, and lastly cocamidopropyl benzene. Okay, the first 2 surfactants are anionic, while this benzene is amphoteric surfactant. Since we have anionic ingredients in this formulation, don't add cationic emulsifier when you're about to formulate yours, because there will be separation. Now let's move on to gum phase, which is where this polymer comes in. Hydroxypropyl methicellulose. This is a fantastic polymer that can be used in different cleansing formulation, with even in different formulations. It can be used in serum, it can be used in moisturizers, and it can be used in surfactant based products. All right, so to use it, as you're mixing your water, you can be adding it little by little till you finish pouring, and then continue mixing till it thickens up. Or you can do it the way I did mine: mix with glycerin first before you now add it into the water phase. Take note that too much of glycerin in cleansing products can reduce the foam, so have that in mind whenever you are formulating. The more you add glycerin, the way it forms may be affected compared to when you don't have glycerin inside the product. And then the surfactant base, I included glycol distearate. This is an opacifier which gives this pearlescent effect in cleansers. Okay, so you need to dissolve it. That's why we're also going to place this one on heat. After removing the surfactant phase from heat and it has cooled down, add your fragrance and solubilizer. If you have ingredients such as caprylyl glucoside inside the formulation, you might not need to use a solubilizer, or the solubilizer you will use will be reduced. But since we don't have a solubilizer, we don't have that in this product, this is why we use the solubilizer at a higher percentage, and then mix both the surfactant phase and the water together till well incorporated. Then you can add your cool down phase and then adjust your pH to about 4.5 to 5.5. Cover till next day and it is ready to be used. Take note that you can color it. The color I used is water soluble colorant in this shower gel, just some part of it, just to show you what it looks like. If you want to add coloring, you can add it to your water phase from the beginning. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Just before I go, which other video would you like to see next? Comment below. I am Josephine. Bye.